What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital and welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to be introducing a new company to the channel, and that company is called Poda Lifestyle Wellness Limited. Poda Lifestyle Wellness Limited has a flagship Beyond Burn pods that are set to revolutionize the heat not burn industry. So with more and more people focusing on health, trying to get away from smoking, there's more and more technology coming out. Poda's got a really interesting technology that I'm going to introduce to you guys and simply just talk about the company and what they do. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Of course, don't forget to hit that like button. I do appreciate these types of videos, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. And yeah, let's get straight into the video, guys. Of course, last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. So check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer before viewing the video, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, let's get straight into this introduction video to Poda. So the first thing I wanted to say was, it does trade on the CSE under ticker symbol PODA. It will be traded on the OTCQB and in Frankfurt in Q2. That is the plan. So let's introduce the company. Better than ordinary smoking, our flagship Beyond Burn Poda pods contain a unique tobacco-free blend of pelletonized tea leaves infused with synthetic nicotine, which have been expertly crafted to mimic the sensational experience of traditional cigarettes without the smoke, without the smell, and without the tobacco. Developed by industry-leading experts, Poda has spent the last 6 years developing the best heat-not-burn product ever made. Led by a team of industry-leading experts at the forefront of the rapidly growing reduced-risk smoking products industry, Poda understands the heat-not-burn market and has the skills and expertise to deliver incredible ROI to our valued investors. So you can check out their website for more information. That's podalifestyle.com. The 3 news releases that we're quickly just going to cover. The first one, Poda files trademarks in Canada, the US, UK, and Europe. Poda Lifestyle Wellness is pleased to announce that the company has added to its intellectual property portfolio by filing trademarks in Canada, the US, UK, and Europe for its Beyond Burn Poda pods. So that's of course important. Poda provides update on 6 patent developments over the past 6 years. Poda is pleased to announce a comprehensive update on its patent developments that have been underway for the past 6 years. Highly encourage everyone to check that out. And finally, Big Tobacco Executive participates in Poda non-brokered private placement. So the company issued 2.5 million units at 40 cents for proceeds of $1 million. John Ruiz was a key executive of one of the largest tobacco companies in the world, Philip Morris International, for more than 15 years. In 2004, he was appointed CEO of Tabaqueira, a former Portuguese state monopoly that was acquired by Philip Morris International, and contributed as one of Philip Morris International's top 10 EBITDA producers worldwide. Words from the company: we are thrilled that John Ruiz, through a foundation of which he is an executive director, has participated in the offering. So now, guys, we're going to dive into their investor presentation to get a better idea of what the company does. You can find this on their website under the Investors tab simply by clicking Corporate Presentation. Click here to view. So, their investor presentation. Poda Lifestyle Wellness is actively engaged in the development and commercialization of industry-leading reduced-risk smoking products. So let's get into the details. Poda has developed an innovative heat-not-burn reduced-risk smoking system which uses proprietary zero-cleaning single-use pods. Tobacco-free Beyond Burn Poda pods are low-cost to produce and are filled with a patent-pending blend of tea leaves and synthetic nicotine, satisfying smoke-free replacement for adult smokers. Multi-patented Beyond Burn Poda pod design leads to a zero-cleaning experience that is unique in the heat-not-burn industry. Exciting growth opportunities through a portfolio of valuable IP holdings and applications, revenue generation through 3 complementary verticals: Beyond Burn Poda pods, Beyond Burn devices, and white labeling partnerships. So their highlights. Poda has spent over $5 million to date developing the product and is now ready to scale production to meet global demand. Better than ordinary smoking, no cleaning required, global intellectual property protection, and a rare investment opportunity. Over 1.3 billion cigarette smokers in the world, consuming over 5.7 trillion cigarettes per year, Poda offers a satisfying smoke-free cigarette replacement for adult smokers. Patented zero-cleaning Beyond Burn Poda pods are well poised to gain significant market share. I won't be covering every single point in this investor presentation, as we would be here all day, but I will touch on the key points. So we're also going to be interviewing their CEO, so Ryan Selby, co-founder and CEO, original co-founder and investor, successful multi-patented investor, background in business development, 15 years smoking industry experience. So the IQOS heat not burn science. In 2008, Philip Morris International has invested more than 8.1 billion USD into the science and research of developing smoke-free products, and they employ more than 400 world-class scientists, engineers, and technicians. Scientific studies have shown that switching completely from conventional cigarettes to the IQOS system significantly reduces exposure to harmful or potentially harmful chemicals. In July of 2020, the US FDA authorized the sale of IQOS heat not burn products in the US as a modified risk tobacco product. The FDA has stated that the available scientific evidence demonstrates that the issuance of an exposure modification order for IQOS would be appropriate to promote the public health and is expected to benefit the health of the population as a whole, taking into account both users of tobacco products and persons who do not currently use tobacco products. So what are the existing nicotine delivery vehicles? Well, we've got cigarettes, e-cigarettes, other tobacco products, and other heated tobacco products. So now we have Poda. Poda Beyond Burn pods are filled with a specialized blend infused with synthetic nicotine and containing no tobacco ingredients. Temperatures range from 185 to 225 degrees Celsius. It provides close analog to sensory experience of cigarette smoking, offers better user experience than existing heated tobacco products, and can be sold at lower price points because it's not subject to tobacco duties. Traditional tobacco cigarette market, global tobacco market revenue amounts to approximately 800 billion USD annually. The market is expected to grow annually by 2.87% over the next 4 years. Approximately 1.3 billion tobacco smoker users worldwide. Widely known health impacts of smoking, driving many tobacco users to seek lower risk alternatives. All about the e-cigarette market. Companies like Juul have captured enormous valuations despite not being able to replace traditional cigarettes. Now, the heat not burn market. Heat not burn or heated tobacco products are a relatively new nicotine delivery vehicle. Heat not burn products have become a major focus in the tobacco industry. Heat not burn systems heat organic materials containing nicotine to release the nicotine and flavor without producing smoke. And as we know, Philip Morris spent a lot on that. So we're going to talk about the 7 pain points in the tobacco industry. Number 1, increasing costs as government taxes and duties increase. Beyond Burn Poda pods contain no nicotine ingredients not subject to existing tobacco duties, taxes, and regulations. Number 2, device cleaning and maintenance. Patented zero cleaning pods. Device smell. Unlike other heat not burn products, Poda devices never get contaminated by pod residues and smells. Number 4, cigarette-like satisfaction. Unlike e-cigarettes or nicotine gum, Beyond Burn Poda pods offer cigarette-like satisfaction. Cross-contamination between pods. Zero cleaning means no residue left in heating device from previous pod. Each pod is a fresh experience. Number 6, multi-substance platforms. Poda zero contamination pods provide ability to heat many different substrates, including tobacco substitutes, caffeine, MJ, medical herbs, and many more. Huge growth opportunities. And finally, number 7, smoking cessation tools. Poda Beyond Burn non-tobacco blends provide opportunities for tobacco replacement therapies that provide close analog to cigarette smoking, increasing efficacy for treatment programs. So there's the Beyond Burn Poda pods, providing adult smokers with a highly satisfying and robust experience. The Beyond Burn Poda device, meet the first member of the Poda device family. That's a little bit of information about it for you guys. And manufacturing. So Poda has developed proprietary automated production equipment which can be installed at strategic locations globally to meet regional demands. Packaged in cartons of 100 pods, 10 packs per carton, 10 pods per pack. So there's some updates on their intellectual property. Patents covering various methods for making zero cleaning pods. Canada patent granted, USA waiting for examination. National entries filed in over 60 countries for a couple other patents, and the rest of the information is there for you guys. Poda Distribution. Letter of intent with Shenzhen Easton Technology Co. Limited. Easton currently distributes over 50 million IQOS compatible NEEFs sticks per month into the Chinese and European markets. White labeling. Poda is looking to expand its footprint through white labeling partnerships. Poda direct-to-consumer sales. In Q2 2021, Poda will launch an online retail sales portal selling Beyond Burn Poda pods directly to consumers worldwide. So guys, the further IQOS, Philip Morris generated roughly $8 billion in revenue in 2020 for their heated tobacco products, $6 billion in 2019, expected $10 billion in 2021, and we can see that market constantly increasing by about 20%. So last but not least, the investment highlights. So Poda is set to become a major player in the heat not burn industry with multi-patented zero cleaning pods and our flagship Beyond Burn Poda pods. Offers all the satisfaction of traditional smoking with no smoke and no tobacco ingredients. Patented blend of pelletonized tea leaves with synthetic nicotine offers amazing flavor without being subject to tobacco taxes and duties. Allows aggressively competitive pricing as compared to tobacco-containing heat not burn products. Skilled team with years of experience in reduced risk smoking products. Advisory board with experienced tobacco industry professionals. Ready to launch with exceptional product. Production currently at 400,000 pods per month. Production volume scale up planned for Q3 of 2021 to meet increasing demand. So guys, that's it for the introduction. Like I said, feel free to head on over to their website, take a look at their investor presentation for yourself. But that's it for the video. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Also, for full disclosure details, once again, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. And that's it. Always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.